Can you guess all 25 animals? Pig. Pigs are very intelligent animals. Pigs have good memories, learn quickly, and are as trainable as dogs or cats. If a domesticated pig ended up in the wild, it could rapidly become feral due to boar genes in their DNA. Gibbon. Gibbons are apes native to the rainforests of southern Asia. Gibbons are well suited to life in trees, with long arms for reaching branches, strong hands for grasping, and long legs for propelling themselves. They can swing through the trees with great speed and grace. Gibbons can travel up to 34 miles per hour and jump up to 26 feet. Magpie. Magpies are incredibly smart birds belonging to the crow family. They are found in Europe, Asia, Australia, and Western North America. Eurasian magpies are one of the few non-mammal species that can recognize themselves in a mirror. Jackson's chameleon. Jackson's chameleons are a bright emerald green, but can display bold colors such as teal or blue to display aggression. Males are usually 10 to 12 inches long and have 3 horns on their forehead and a long tail. Females are typically shorter and don't grow horns. They are native to East Africa and today can be found in Kenya, Tanzania, and the Hawaiian Islands. Salmon. Salmon can jump almost 6.5 feet and swim upstream. They also have 300-degree vision. Salmon are born in fresh water, migrate to the ocean to mature, and then return to their home rivers to spawn. They provide food for other species and enrich habitats by cycling nutrients from the ocean to freshwater streams. Mountain lion. Also called pumas, cougars, or panthers, mountain lions are the largest of the small cats and the 4th largest cat species worldwide. Mountain lions are the largest cats that are able to purr. They also make calls that sound like human screams. Generally calm and elusive, mountain lion attacks on humans are rare. Mole. Moles have tiny eyes covered with hair or skin, so they can only see light and dark. They have sensitive hairs on their noses and tails that help guide them through the dark. Moles can paralyze earthworms with a toxin in their saliva and then bring them back to their tunnels to eat later. Moles eat about 40% of their body weight per day. It's been reported that they can die if deprived of food for 12 hours. Alligator. Despite the origin of the word alligator, these massive creatures are not lizards. Alligators are one of the oldest existing reptiles and have about 80 sharp teeth, but they don't chew. When a tooth falls out, they grow a new one, and they can have 2,000 to 3,000 teeth in their lifetime. Alligators are primarily freshwater animals. Red-ruffed lemur. In the wild, red-ruffed lemurs live only in the remote rainforests of northeastern Madagascar. They rarely descend to the ground, spending most of their time high up in the treetops. Red-ruffed lemurs can live 15 to 20 years but may live longer in captivity. They appear very cute and cuddly. However, lemurs in general do not make for good pets, as they can be quite unpredictable and aggressive. Sea snake. Sea snakes are the only reptiles to give birth in the ocean. They are closely related to cobras and shed their skin like other snakes. Sea snakes produce some of the most toxic venom known in reptiles, but their small mouths and rear fangs limit their ability to bite humans. Even if they do bite, there's an 80% chance it will be a dry bite with no venom. Vizcacha. Vizcachas are South American rodents related to chinchillas. Vizcachas live in dry, rocky areas with little vegetation, such as cliffs, outcrops, and slopes. They are skilled at moving around on rocks, but are not good at digging. Snow leopard. Snow leopards are well adapted to their cold, dry and rocky environments in Central and South Asia. Their thick grey-white coats with black rosettes act as camouflage, earning them the nickname Ghost of the Mountains. Their wide noses warm cold air before it reaches their lungs, and their paws act like snowshoes. Spider monkey. Spider monkeys have tails that can support their entire body weight, allowing them to hang from trees. Their tails also have a bald underside and unique tail prints, similar to human fingerprints. Spider monkeys can use their tails to grasp items as small as sunflower seeds. The oldest known spider monkey in captivity lived to be around 47 years old. Texas Longhorn. The Texas Longhorn is an American breed of beef cattle, characterized by its long horns, which can span more than 8 feet from tip to tip. Their stunning, majestic horns certainly set them apart from any other breed of cattle. Both Texas Longhorn cows and bulls sport these magnificent horns. Ibis. Ibises are gregarious, wading birds that live, travel, and breed in large flocks. They can fly in a line or a V formation, which reduces wind resistance for trailing birds. When the leader gets tired, it moves to the back of the formation, and another ibis takes its place. Sloth bear. Sloth bears are also known as honey bears and are easily recognizable by their shaggy fur and long muzzle. They are known to knock down bee honeycombs from trees. They can close their nostrils completely to keep dust and insects out when raiding beehives or termite nests. Although they may seem slow and clumsy, they are actually excellent climbers and gallopers. Octopus. Octopuses are intelligent and have large, complex brains with excellent long-term memory and problem-solving skills. They can complete puzzles, untie knots, open jars, and escape from aquariums. Octopuses have 3 hearts, are masters of camouflage, and can regrow limbs. Eastern Bongo antelope. Eastern bongos are the largest forest antelope in the world. Bongos live in the dense rainforests of tropical Africa, including the lowland rainforests of West Africa, the Congo Basin, the Central African Republic, and southern Sudan. They have been known to eat burned wood after lightning storms. Arctic fox. Arctic foxes are small, about the size of a large domestic cat. There are 8 subspecies of the Arctic fox. These foxes live in some of the harshest places on Earth, the Arctic and alpine tundra habitats of the northernmost areas of Alaska, Canada, Finland, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Russia, Svalbard, and Sweden. Opossum. Opossums are the only marsupials native to the United States, whereas possums are marsupials native to Australia. When threatened, opossums will freeze, curl up, go limp, and drool to appear sick or wounded. They also emit a foul odor from their anal glands to further convince predators that they are an undesirable meal. This is known as playing possum. Mud skipper. Mud skippers are fish that can walk, climb, and skip out of water, which is how they got their name. They have large pectoral fins that are shaped like legs, which help them move along mud using a movement called crutching. They can also climb trees using their pelvic fins. Bee eater. Bee eaters are immune to the venom of their prey, which includes up to 300 bees or wasps per day. They catch insects in flight, in energetic bursts from an open perch. Before eating a bee, the bee eater removes the sting by repeatedly hitting the insect on a hard surface. Bee eaters are found in Africa, Asia, Europe, Australia, and New Guinea. Sea otter. Sea otters are one of the few animals that use tools such as rocks to break open shells of clams and abalone. They may also place rocks on their chests to smash shellfish against. A sea otter can live its whole life without leaving the ocean. They eat, sleep, play, and give birth in the sea. Peacock mantis shrimp. Peacock mantis shrimp are ferocious predators that hunt with clubbed forelimbs and can pulverize their prey in milliseconds. They use their club-like front claws to deliver a quick and powerful punch to their prey, which can be 50 times faster than the blink of an eye and strong enough to break glass. Echidna. There are only 2 living mammals that lay eggs, and that is the platypus and the echidna. Echidnas are shy animals that are known for their waddle and will often curl into a ball when they're frightened or see a predator. Echidna milk is pink because of its high iron content. They are Australia's most widespread native mammal, being found in almost all habitats, from snow-covered mountains to deserts. Did you guess them all? If you like this video, please share and subscribe.